So welcome back to vlog, guys. Yes, I have to do a voiceover because there was noise in the background. All right. Yeah, so we decided to do a little movie night, just a two away together, watch a movie and eat popcorn. All right. So me I make the popcorn myself. There's a show where me that I use. All right, two different type of butter and the can, the popping can. All right, guys. So me just make the pot hot and then put in the butter and then just put the can in there, cover the pot, and then let it start to pop. Alright, yeah, so that was basically it, guys. Yeah, so me were made that she look for movie, which one she want for watch. And of course, she got pick one where she want for watch. Yes, so that was just me in the kitchen and getting the can all ready. There it goes. It started popping. Start popping. Look at it. Pop, 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 pop. So yes, the popcorn finished pop. And may I put the melted butter when I melt over the popcorn. Alright guys, whenever I put a whole heap of butter, panic, you know, too much butter, it could feel. Alright, yes, so popcorn and pop and everything. Alright, it's time now to go watch the movie. But you know, I have to sample it first and taste how it tastes, alright. And of course, I put a little salt on it when I done pop with the melted butter. Not too much salt for me, because you know the pressure. Alright, yes, so she freeze her juice now and she stab it up. I stab it up and try to get it crushing at some crusher state. Yes, guys, so me sit down and wait for her now for come off her phone so she can start the movie. Alright, so me just that I go and eat my popcorn. Alright, yes. So of course the movie where she pick I want like a teeny bopper movie, of course, one that she wanted to watch. But you don't know it's a movie night, you have to give and take. It was enjoyable anyway and just chilling with each other and watching the movie and eating popcorn. Alright guys, yes, so yeah, me decide for lack of the light watch a movie, but my sister say that never that go work out for only see where I go on. So me decide to turn it on back for a little while, but you know me gonna get it back because I like watch the movie in a light. It's more nice in the dark. Alright, yes, so we there and this still just watch a movie and I enjoy it and I drink my juice and eat my popcorn, you know, enjoy the night. Like I'm going turn on back the light for me to see where I go on. It's just basically we eating and watching the movie, you know, taking it in. Like I said, it was a good looking movie, but you know, it's them like a teen papa movie there. But still enjoyable for watch. I may enjoy it same way. At this point, I tired of the light. I'm say, listen, I like off it and go and enjoy my movie, you know, because there's not that much to see either. Just we eat and watch the movie. Alright, then near to the end, I turn it on back again. What is man? I'm have the camera up on my face so my eye look chaos. Anyway, at this point, you see her face over there, so her face look vexed because she want my popcorn. She eat her fair popcorn and want my one. Or crayfish Joe. It is
Oh,
she
them
watch
forgot.
this and she hear me.
No problem.
Yes, so there again. Turn on back the light. Turn on back the light. And say, oh. I'm turn it off back because last time I can't bother to watch the movie in the light. May I turn it on the screen for me to see if I can pick up which movie we did I watch. If I don't know, comment down below in the comment section. But the camera up in my face, my mind looks like chaos, man. Sure. So Crayford Joe over there, so Yeah, she I watched the movie and it was really nice, like I say, a nice little movie and a nice little Friday night setting, eat and drink. We hope to do this again next weekend, I don't know which. I think this time me I go pick the movie because she gave pick the movie the last time. This time me going to pick the movie, so she have to sit down and watch what me want to watch as well, like I did with her. All right, guys. Yes, but I'm gonna say thank you guys for watching this short little vlog of us just enjoying the Friday night together and having a little mini movie night. All right, guys. Yes, it never really planned. It just that the nights we just make we do a little movie night and we have popcorn, so we just pop it and drink some juice. All right, so catch you in the next vlog, guys. Bye.